Rheem water heater failed ignition lockout? Fuel supply issues may be the hidden cause. When gas flow stops, the burner cannot ignite. Safety lockout protects your system from unsafe starts. That means no hot water when you need it. In homes, rentals, and service calls, delays add frustration. The good news? Many cases are diagnosable. Start by checking the gas valve. This valve controls fuel delivery to the burner. If it sticks, gas flow drops immediately. Wear, dirt, or electrical failure can cause problems. A damaged valve may leak or fail to close fully. Either way, ignition can stop and lockout begins. Regular inspection helps catch valve issues early. Replacing a faulty valve restores proper gas flow. That means faster ignition and reliable hot water again. Next, inspect the gas lines carefully. These lines carry fuel from supply to heater. Dirt, debris, or corrosion can block the passage. Bent or crushed pipes can restrict gas delivery too. When fuel cannot reach the burner, ignition fails. The system responds by entering protective lockout. Cleaning blocked lines can restore smooth gas flow. If damaged, replacement may be the smarter fix. Use the control panel for helpful fault clues. Status indicators can point you toward fuel problems. That saves time during troubleshooting and repair. For homeowners, this means less guesswork and downtime. For plumbers and technicians, it means quicker service. For landlords, it helps protect tenant comfort. A steady gas supply is essential for ignition. No gas, no flame, no hot water. That's why supply checks should come first. The right fix can upgrade everyday reliability. It also improves confidence in your water heater. Rheem systems perform best with clean, stable fuel delivery. So inspect the valve, check the lines, and verify flow. Small maintenance steps prevent bigger lockout problems. They also support safer, smoother operation over time. If ignition keeps failing, don't ignore fuel supply issues. Resolve the blockage, restore gas flow, and reset performance. Bring back dependable hot water with the right diagnosis. Rheem water heater lockout troubleshooting starts with fuel. Act early, fix smart, and keep hot water flowing.